Hey everyone, this is Tom with the Green Dot Group. Got another video for you today. I want to talk to you a little bit about the importance of establishing a SMART aim statement or a SMART goal for your project. Before I do that, I'd like to encourage you to hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that you're notified when I upload videos in the future. Let's dive into the SMART aim statement. If you're familiar with A3 problem solving, the SMART aim statement is often completed within box 2, in which you clarify what the project goal is. In regards to DMAIC, the SMART aim statement is completed during the define phase and then refined and added onto during the measure phase. Your goal statement helps to identify the measurable goal for the project. An effective way for clarifying your project's goal is to use the SMART aim statement format. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. In the next slides, we'll dive into each element of the SMART aim statement and talk further about what these components are and how to complete them effectively. Let's look at the first component of the SMART aim statement. The S, which stands for specific, is about creating a goal that is narrowly focused. In this section, think about what is in and out of scope for the project. Be sure to clarify where improvement is needed and who is impacted or who needs to be involved in the project. The more narrowly focused you can be, the better. The next element in the SMART aim statement is the M. M stands for measurable. In this section, you're answering the question as to what metric or metrics will be used to help you determine if you met your project goal. Ultimately, you're trying to answer how you will know change was an improvement. When completing the measurable section, be sure to identify a primary metric and indicate the response that you would expect to see in that metric. When communicating your goal, consider stating it has a change from X, the current state, to Y, the desired future state. The A in SMART stands for attainable. When establishing your goal, you should set a goal that stretches the organization a bit beyond its comfort zone. You want your goal to be motivating and not discouraging. One way to help make your goals attainable are to think about milestones that can be achieved along the way in regards to the metrics of concern. Moving the dial gradually over time is more motivating than trying to improve by leaps and bounds. The R in the SMART aim statement stands for relevant. When completing the relevant section, what you're trying to do is help connect the dots between the project goals and the organization's goal. For relevancy, help connect the project to the customer's needs and expectations. It's important to think about what's important now and what will be important in the future. The last section of the SMART statement is the T. T stands for time-bound. By providing a deadline in which you expect the project goals and key deliverables to be achieved in, you're helping to create a sense of urgency. Depending on how long your project is, you may need to define some interim goals that'll help the team measure their progress along the way. Detailing each of these elements really help the team to articulate their project goal. If your organization is not currently using the SMART format for articulating their goals, I'd strongly encourage you to train your leaders and project leaders as well as project owners on the format so that they can begin to apply this format when articulating their goals and objectives. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you could do me a favor, I'd greatly appreciate it if you can subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you're notified when we upload videos in the future. Also, in the comments section below, I'd love to hear how you're using the SMART aim statement within your organization to help format how you state your organization's goals and project objectives. As always, thanks for nerding out with us.